Hey guys, Manic Gulf Coast. Today we're at 1818 Unit D, which is this unit right here that I have open. This is efficiency. Basically one big room, you have one bathroom and a kitchen. It's going for $850 right now. You can take a look at our website. Does include electric, does include water and sewer as well. Have some nice beams up there, which is a nice feel. Does have two fans, has the window unit as well. It's actually very comfortable in here right now. Let me wrap it around for you. Here's the kitchen. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Here's the bathroom for you. We have walk-in shower, vanity, toilet. One big room right there, storage closet there, storage closet there, big closet there. Like I mentioned, you have a nice sized kitchen for the unit, and that is going to do it. This one's centrally located. Let me bring you right outside. This is right off Manatee Avenue, right outside downtown Bradenton, so super conveniently located. And again, this one is for rent, annual lease. For more information, you can go to choosegulfcoast.com for more pictures and the schedule of viewing. Thank you.